Checking in for day 2 of the carnivore diet. I would say I was successful. Um, anyway, if you check out my sa description box yung kinain ko for the day, I tried my best to just have meat. Um, but of course, syempre, like with what I ate, I know that there are ingredients other than just meat. But for the most part, I'd like to believe that I kept it carnivore. So, how am I feeling? A little okay. Tama yung sinasabi nila, like on the first few weeks or first few days, you'd be experiencing, um, you'd be experiencing constipation. Parang ganun ang naramdaman ko. And then, but I know how to battle that. Bumawi ng maraming tubig. So, that's where I'm at. Day 2. Feeling pretty good. Went out with some friends. We ended up, after dinner, we ended up at uh, Good Pastry Cafe dito sa Parañaque, dun sa may BF Homes. And hindi ako kumain. I didn't eat any of the pastries, nor even the coffee drinks. Kasi it's not just pure coffee. May mga sugar. So, day 2, very successful. I feel good about myself. Yeah, let's see how the rest of the week goes.